Right, you might have heard me bang on about drawing one-to-one, and I think that would be useful because I want to use this map to get distance data between cities and towns. So, as you can see, it's only 5 meters by 7 meters because that's the way I imported the JPEG and sketched around it. Also, if I spin that round, I actually did it upside down because I did it on tracing paper. So just flip that as well. Right. The UK grid reference system is actually a nice way for us to do this. For instance, I know it all starts 0,0 in the east and the south, and I know Land's End. I've got a map out and I've got a 6-figure easting and northing. So what I'm going to do is start anywhere and type that eastern and northern in. So in the east it's 133, that's kilometres, 133,757, that's basically part of 1,000 or a kilometre, and 2,020 kilometres 369. Right, so that effectively there is, I've drawn that in meters. Well, you can see that's so to get that in kilometers we would have to actually multiply that by 10 to the 6. Let's just carry on as we are. D, snap onto Land's End, and we put that up here. Right, it's well under scale, so I'm just going to go 10, 10, otherwise it'll start looking like a dot. In fact, I'm going to do another 10 times. I also know, because I worked out the north of John O'Groats to north of Land's End, east of Lowestoft, east of Land's End, the overall bounding rectangle of the UK. So from there, I happen to know from an easting point of view, it's 522 kilometres, 052. Oh, damn. Anyway, I forgot to put the north in there, but if I do that, I can then type the north in now, which is 952 kilometres 868. 750 miles for you cyclists who do Land's End to John O'Groats. I did it myself, 1994 I think. Do a lot of work for charity. Don't like to talk about it. I've dined out on that for years, I tell you. Right. So just check that again. 522052 952868. Right. So I also got the coordinates for Lowestoft. Now that'll be based from the 0 point. So that'll be 655,809. What is it about the British people that means you can't trust them to continue to isolate? If you just talk a bit about what the process of easing these restrictions will be. 791. That's a good sign because at least it's the same there. So that's what I call Lowestoft. Just put a little circle on there. And Lowestoft's around about here, furthest east part in the country. So, and that's John O'Groats is up here as well, touching this bounding box. So let's just increase the scale by about 1.2, 1.2. We're not far out there now. We can see also the lizard maybe Chris can say a bit more about this.
I'm not sure the coordinates of the lizard. It's definitely not 0. It's more like 113 kilometres up. But what I'm going to do here is just rotate this lower stuff a little bit, because I think that'll bring it up nearer, and we still want to scale up in the Y sense, so X and Y of course. Just go up a little bit more, 1.1. If there's any cartographers out there watching this, you'll be mad, because this is really rough. Right, so just going to twist it round again, get an idea. And I shouldn't have actually. Let's go down to 0.97. Oh, must have pressed something wrong there. 0.97. 0.97. Right, we're not far out now. Now really I could do with putting John O'Groats coordinate on there, which is, it's got an, if I've written this down right, it's got a, from the very origin, it's got an easting of, we do not know where the R, the force of transmission, is 3, 4, 0, 6, 9. I must have gone wrong there, so I wouldn't be surprised if that isn't 690. Yeah, that's not bad. I should check that really before committing, but anyway, we'll go with that. And it's 9732. 37. Right, so as you can see, we're not far off. John O'Groats just been here. Right, so I'm just gonna, it's absolute tiny amount, so it'd be 0.99, 0.99. Right, we're getting to within as good as I can get it, because remember I did do this rough. I think I will just bring it down a little bit more. 0.99, 0.99. And I'm just going to twist it over, because I think this one's more likely to be more accurate at Lowestoft than the one up the north. Oh, no, wrong one. D, B. Of course, what you should do is check a few other points as well. Wales, or things like that, or the Scottish border, or something like that. I'm going to go with that. Right, file, save. Yeah, UK
maybe, but different countries are in different stages in this epidemic.
Oh,
and one of the things that I think we've learned during this crisis is
UK
that the
map 1
of the guidance to the public is incredibly important.
Right, so at the moment,
hence we repeat it.
This is
it's increasingly
the overall dimensions of this entire job, because TurboCAD, I always like to work in mil.
On the other point on CAD, of course, there's detailed guidance, and there's further guidance in the action plan that we're publishing today.
680, 660, so that'd be 680 metres. Now I know I want to get this into kilometres now, so I need to turn this into 1,000. So to scale up another 1,000. So I'm going to scale the whole lot up another 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Enter. Right, so now let's have a look at that rectangle there. We can see it's 522 kilometres, 0.52 meters and no millimeters. 952 kilometers. So I believe that's correct. So if we create a view, view 1, and then we go into our paper space, we'll insert the viewport, and we'll scale it to fit the paper up. 1 to 10,000. Let's have another go. Oh, 1 to 250,000. Okay.
Reorient the NHS towards COVID over the medium term and the long-term impact of socioeconomic factors
100 to 121,000.
Do not always end up with exactly the same answer, and what we're going to have to do in bringing together the right solution is to try and make
think, if I remember right, what a good scale for the map will be. Let's go to 1 to 500,000.
Probably some serology data to understand what proportion of the
1 to 500,000.
Additional bit of information will really help us, in a sense, to balance these different, very important impacts on health over the next phase. Thanks very much.
Right, I need to have a think about this actually. There's something amiss. So we'll call it there at the moment, and then we'll come back for part 3.